Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Kumusta po kayo kabayan? Isa na namang very productive ngayong araw. Marami tayong benta. Share ko rin yung mga nabenta natin. Tapos hopefully pag natapos natin lahat to, pwede pa tayong maglibot-libot mamaya sa mall. Hopefully meron tayong mahanap. Kasi else tayo ng Jordan 1 UNC low today ng men's. Pero nakakuha pa rin tayo ng grade school. So yun nga, excited na ako. Tara, gawin na natin. So, simulan natin sa mga nabenta natin sa GOAT. At ito, Jordan 11 ng Jordan 11 Retro na Legend Blue White. Retail nga pala nito is $140. Yan. Nabenta natin to ng $189 nga pala. Ang retail is $140. So, kumita pa rin tayo ng at least $40 dyan. Tapos, ito, we made a huge sale on this particular ones because we've been holding on these ones, and we bought this on Nike factory store all the way back. Nakuha natin sa Nike factory store, as you can see. I think this one was returned when I found them. The retail nga pala is $160. Ayun, tapos $139.97. Katapos ng discount, nagiging $111.98 na lang siya. And next one na napunta natin, so mga Jordan 4s na white Oreo, nabenta natin itong size 11, 10.5, tsaka 8. At hindi na naman natin na-update yung listing. Dapat nabenta rin natin yung 9.5. Lumalaki at dumadami na yung demand niya. Malamang nauubos na yung sale sa market, yung mga sapatos sa market. So, yan. Malamang yung mga bigger sizes natin, i-hold na natin. Mga dapat 100 plus na dapat ang return natin. Alright, so next na benta natin ay yung Air Force 1 Mid na Siren Red. Tapos Jordan 1 Mid na Arctic Orange. Tapos benta rin natin yung Air Jordan 1 Mid All-Star Weekend. Alright, unahin natin yung Jordan 1 Mid Grade School Arctic Pink University Gold. We sold this one for $137. Retail nga pala niya is $100. So $30, $37 return return of investment. All-Star Weekend na Jordan 1 Mid Grade School. Retail nga pala nito is $125. At nabenta natin siya ng $160. Ayun. And another one, this one is the biggest return. Ito nakuha natin to sa Nike Factory Store, $39.97. I think additional 20% or 30%. So, but then 39% and then additional discount, and we sold it for $151. So almost $100, more than $100 return of investment dito. So yan, this is it. Air Jordan 1 Jordan Legacy 312 Grade School. And we bought this for the retail is $110, but we bought this one on the Nike Factory Store all the way back a couple months ago, maybe less than a year. And I got this one about somewhere around $39, something like that, and sold it on GOAT for $162. So that is more than doubling the money, somewhere around triple the money. And another high return of investment. This one is the Jordan 1 Gym Red 115 retail, or they call it the Chicago Bread colorway. And I was kind of wanted to hold this one, but I can't. I gotta let it go. So good thing is 11.5. Like what I said, retail is $115. Sold it for $261, free shipping. So how much is that? That is a huge return. We got it for $115, sold it for $261. So somewhere around 120% return of investment. Boom. that is much better than putting your money in the savings account. So less than a year or almost a year holding them, you can't beat a 120% return of investment. That is why I am into reselling sneaker. So next one, ang dami natin nabentang ganito. Ito yung Women's Air Force One na color changing shoes. So dami yan. Tapos mga 6 siguro sa GOAT, tapos mga 6 din sa eBay. Halos maubos na. 7, ano pa, 6, tapos 6 and a half. So ayan, 6 pairs muna sa eBay. And the sizes are this one that I sold on eBay is may mga 6, 6 and a half, 2, 6 and a half, tapos dalawang 7, dalawang 6 and a half. Tapos mga nabenta naman natin sa GOAT is mga bigger sizes, 9, tapos dalawang 9, tapos may 10, tapos may 8 and a half. Yun. And so another pair that we sold on eBay is it's somewhere around here. We got the kill shot to leather, but we got we sold yung size 11, no? Ayan. So yun. So may nagpahabol pa. Kill shot to leather, ang retail nga pala nito is $90. We bought it on Nike Factory Store, $39.97. Unfortunately, they don't run a additional discount when I had this one, $39.97. But $39.97 is not bad at all anyway though. So magkano benta natin? Nabenta natin siya ng $75. So halos kalahati. It's almost 50% ROI. And what do you think on this for personal? I already got me 2 pair of this one. It's just me, you know, we're getting age. Tumatanda na tayo. So, mag-keep naman tayo na yun yung pwedeng gamitin para sa mga matanda, di ba? Punong-puno na naman ang sasakyan ito sa backseat at tapos doon sa likod.
Tag someone who doesn't do this. Oh no. This delivery guy.
So it was not that really intense or that many. So hindi gaano karami ang nakuha natin. So 0 tayo dun sa isang mall dito na malapit sa akin. May mga Jordans pero hindi profitable yung mga yun eh. Dun sa second mall na pinuntahan natin, it was, hey, we still find something because we do the work. It's just, it doesn't mean that you went to one place, you couldn't find anything, and then you just give up. Yeah, hindi to madali ha. So hindi to yung parang it's not always rainbows and sunshine, sabi nga nila hindi laging kakahanap ka ng mga magaganda na pwedeng ibenta na i-flip natin na i-resale. So lahat kailangan paghirapan mo yun. So kailangan mo din, kung hindi ka nakahanap sa iba, then move on, maghanap pa sa iba. Yun. Share ko natin na ang nakuha natin. Nakuha tayo ng 6 at saka 6 and a half. Ayun, no? So, yan. Kahit paano na hinahanap tayo dyan sa my champs na grade school.
good sizes pa, 6 tsaka 6.5. Ayan Tapos meron pa rin tayong nakuha na grade school doon sa Nike.com. Wait na lang natin sila dumating. Okay naman. So I think yung grade school yata is mas mataas yung resale value niya. The last time I checked, it was like grade school has much more higher resale value than the men's. So inaaban talaga natin na dumating tong mga grade school. At yun nga, dumating na, nahanap na rin ako sa grade school dun sa isang Jimmy Jazz. Tapos meron din ako nahanap na ngayon dito sa Champs. Hopefully dumating na sila sa Foot Locker. Pero dun sa isa wala pa, dun sa isa. Pero dito sa Champs hopefully meron na sila next na visit natin. So yun nga. So ayan, so ganun ang sneaker hustle natin ngayong araw. Hopefully nagustuhan nyo po itong vlog natin. Pag nagustuhan nyo, like, comment, share at saka subscribe na. So ingat po, kita-kita ulit tayo sa muli. Bye bye.